Imagine there was a way to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and improve insulin sensitivity without cutting calories. In fact, you could eat the same amount but time it differently, and your body would begin working in your favor. The truth is, there's an exciting debate in the world of fasting. Should you stick with the old 16-8 method, or is the new fasting style, called eTRF, the secret to faster fat loss and better health? Today, we're looking into both approaches, to help you figure out which fasting method is best for weight loss and insulin resistance. Welcome to Levitas. Fasting isn't just about skipping meals, there's a right and wrong way to do it. One of the biggest misconceptions is that fasting automatically means eating fewer calories. However, the real magic of fasting happens when you don't reduce your caloric intake. Whether you're following the 16-8 method, or the new early time-restricted feeding, it's important to eat enough during your eating window. Cutting calories can lead to muscle loss, slower metabolism, and even nutritional deficiencies. The goal is to maintain your usual calorie intake while simply compressing your eating window. This keeps your body in an optimal state to burn fat while protecting lean muscle mass and maintaining energy levels. Remember, the key is when you eat, not how much you cut out. The new approach to fasting, known as early time-restricted feeding, or eTRF, has been gaining popularity for its unique benefits. With eTRF, you eat your meals earlier in the day, usually between 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. The idea is to align your eating window with your body's natural circadian rhythms, which are at their most efficient earlier in the day. One of the main benefits of eTRF is its effect on insulin sensitivity. When you eat earlier, your body processes insulin more effectively, which can help prevent insulin resistance, a major contributor to weight gain and type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that eating earlier in the day and finishing meals by mid-afternoon can dramatically lower blood sugar levels, making it easier for your body to use stored fat for energy. In addition, eTRF can help improve metabolic flexibility. This means that your body becomes more adept at switching between burning carbohydrates and fats for fuel, which enhances fat loss, especially around the belly area. Plus, the extended fasting window overnight gives your digestive system a much-needed break, allowing your body to focus on cellular repair and detoxification processes that aid long-term health. eTRF has also been linked to improved sleep quality and reduced hunger levels. When you eat in sync with your body's circadian rhythm, you may find it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep, which further supports weight loss and overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the more well-known 16-8 fasting method, which has been a staple for many people. In this method, you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour window to eat, often between noon and 8 p.m. or even later, depending on personal preference. Most people skip breakfast and eat lunch and dinner, allowing them to fast overnight and into the next day. The 16-8 method has proven benefits, particularly for weight loss. One of the key reasons is that, fasting for a 16-hour period helps your body use up glycogen stores and tap into fat for fuel. This process, called lipolysis, promotes fat burning, especially if you pair it with a low-carbohydrate or ketogenic diet. Many people report losing stubborn fat around the waist and abdomen after practicing 16-8 fasting regularly. In terms of insulin resistance, the 16-8 method also has a positive impact. Fasting for longer periods helps reduce the frequency of insulin spikes, which can prevent insulin resistance over time. By allowing the body to rest between meals, insulin sensitivity improves, making it easier for the body to handle blood sugar levels. Another great benefit of the 16-8 method is its flexibility. For those with busy schedules or social lives that revolve around dinner, it's often easier to skip breakfast and eat later in the day. This makes it more sustainable for long-term use, as you can still enjoy meals with family or friends without feeling restricted. Plus, since the eating window extends into the evening, some people find that they experience fewer hunger pangs during the day. However, because most of the meals are later in the day, some people report disrupted sleep patterns, especially if dinner is eaten too close to bedtime. Eating later can interfere with your body's natural nighttime processes, leading to poorer digestion and restless sleep. So, which is better, eTRF or 16-8? The answer depends on your goals and lifestyle. Both fasting methods are highly effective for weight loss and improving insulin sensitivity, but they work in slightly different ways. If your primary goal is to enhance insulin sensitivity and you're willing to eat earlier in the day, eTRF offers the best results. By aligning your eating window with your body's circadian rhythm, you're giving yourself the advantage of better insulin response, lower blood sugar levels, and improved metabolic function. This method also has a stronger impact on overall fat burning, especially around the abdominal area. Plus, a longer fasting window overnight allows for deeper cellular repair and detoxification, which is beneficial for long-term health. On the other hand, if you prefer a more flexible schedule and find it easier to skip breakfast, 16/8 might be the better choice for you. It's easier to fit into a busy lifestyle, and many people enjoy the fact that they can still eat later in the evening. For weight loss, 16/8 is still highly effective, especially if you're consistent with your fasting periods and maintain a healthy diet during your eating window. Additionally, because the fasting period is slightly shorter, some people find 16/8 easier to sustain over time without feeling too restricted. In conclusion, in terms of insulin resistance and weight loss, eTRF seems to have a slight edge, but both methods can lead to significant improvements, especially if combined with a healthy, low-carb food plan. If your focus is purely on weight loss, both methods will get you results, but you may find eTRF to be slightly more effective due to its ability to enhance fat burning earlier in the day. Ultimately, the best fasting method is the one that fits your lifestyle and is sustainable for the long term. Both eTRF and 16/8 are powerful tools for weight loss, improving insulin resistance, and promoting overall health. Experiment with each approach and see which one works best for you. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.